Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nandish Sharma. In this video, I'm going to show you a day in the life of a CA student work from office edition. जो मेरी पिछली video थी, that was work from home edition. And this video, I'm going to show you a day in my life in the office. I am a first year articleship student. Right now, I'm working in Grant Thornton, and I have to go to the Noida office of Grant Thornton today. And I'm going to take you with me, guys. So now let's get ready. So guys, a quick announcement. I'm thinking of making a question and answer video. So if you want to ask any questions, you can comment down below. It can be about anything. It can be about my articleship or about my life or about menswear. It can be about anything. आप कोई भी question पूछ सकते हो मुझसे. So you can ask your questions down below and I will try to make a video. So guys, I had recently bought a new phone as well from the big billion day sale that happened in September. So I bought an iPhone 13. So I thought I should unbox it here. I mean, it's already unboxed, but I thought I should just show it here as well. It's definitely not a show off. I'm just sharing with you all that where have I spent a big chunk of my stipend. So yeah. Here it is. Guys, right now I'm going to CP office, and this is another day. This is not the day after I shot that vlog that you saw. This is some other day. So yeah, that's where we are heading. And usually I don't go by car, so this is just for the sake of video. I'm going by car, but usually I take metro.